if this doesn't get everyone's attention across this province, I would hope it does.
A grim warning from the Premier on a record day for COVID-19 in Saskatchewan. 60 new cases reported today, easily the most in one day in the province. 48 of the 60 new cases are from Hutterite colonies in the southwest and west central regions. 43 of those are located in a single communal living setting in the RM of Latonia.
These case numbers are very concerning, but they are not entirely unexpected. This large number of cases was detected as a result of the aggressive testing and the contact tracing that the Saskatchewan Health Authority has been doing in a number of Hutterite communities in the province. And that work is ongoing. So it's possible that we may see similar case numbers in other communities in the very near future.
The number of active cases in Saskatchewan has now climbed to 190, the most since May 12th, which was at the tail end of the outbreak in the northwest. 93 of the active cases today are in the southern region, or 49% of the provincial total. Scott Moe is hoping local leaders there will impose travel restrictions. The Premier says there would have to be blatant noncompliance for a government-imposed travel restriction in the southwest.
Yeah, those powers are there, and they will be used if it is required in certain areas of the province. In saying that, it is always better to work with the local leaders on how we can contain this spread.
There are about now 17 Hutterite communities with active cases in Saskatchewan, and this, of course, does not mean to suggest that the risk currently only resides in these communities. The risk is widespread. There are sporadic cases throughout the province, but we do know that in communal living settings, that is where you can get an explosive increase in cases.
The Premier describes Hutterite communities as industrious, from gardening to livestock operations. Their services are deemed essential, so there's been no talk of canceling large gathering events such as farmers markets. Overall, 1,030 Saskatchewan residents have now tested positive for COVID-19 since the start of the pandemic. None more on this day since the virus first arrived in Saskatchewan more than 4 months ago.
This is a serious day for all of us in the province. It's a day for us just to recall that COVID-19 is not gone and most certainly is here. And if we let our guard down just for a moment, it will spread.
Glenn Reid, CBC News, Regina.